Skele, Angai skele, uza ngobukele, skele, skele, uza ngobukele, Angai skele, skele.
Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Okatle Kontariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Motseba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikasele Vugile bafethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. It is Soweto Siketo bafethu. Man, we are currently at Food Bar, the #1 place where they sell proper food. Ufuna wakota kwa nyama kwa anything. So towards December you can come uzohosta, ungeza ne-out zakho nizobloma, ningeza nizobhawa utshwala singama isibhakethi kube mnandi. Namhlanje ngiphethe sushi and sayiphinda futhi yabona. Sushi mkhozi wami. Asithathe sifakele emandleni mkhozi. Thanks for coming back again. The whole time which you are a friend of a show. So let's tell people what's happening. Let's jump to the topic.
Yazi man kuni topic ngizusasire yabo.
Yeah.
Logo ngiyayi observer yabona.
Yeah.
Izoba siye kuzoba ngathi manje sifuna ifame ngoFootman yabona. Mara kunenye into ngiraisile last nomunye umchita bekuyi-guest yabona.
Yeah.
Kune-exploitation ebhaya ngoFootman uscheme yabona.
Yeah.
Mina Footman angina anything against wena yabona. Mara kune-exploitation ebhade ramachita teri show.
Yeah.
Understand uyabona. Amachita yawaripha ama-benefits wayonke into eyenzakala la. Because we never hear of amachita. Alright, sharp amachita share la. You understand?
Yeah.
And you always say Magatala, I'm not promoting any crime and yonke into, but the whole show is based on crime.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Pildega Bar. Ngisho ngene most viewed episode yakhe ngipildeka ngoSylvester ngipildeka. Yeah, Sylvester ushasha abantu ababhaka ukuthi ejele uyakhona ukubalekela. You understand? Kusho ukuthi le narrative be wrong nje.
Yeah.
You understand? Uzoza yena athi wakhe bani okay usakhile ngoSylvester ngani. Sijolenda.
Nifundeni vele.
Yeah, asingibuze wena ufundeni da. Besides angitsheli lokho.
Ngifuna ukuthi bamdubule ebusweni asurvivor. Nokuthi ubaleke ejele, nokuthi beka brutal. Like I positive wise angifundanga next.
Akunante product. You understand? Shukuthi the whole concept shukuthi bathi you are lacking on amachitanga jump yabona. Yeah. People are coming out of correctional facilities mbeta fragile. Aphume eminyakeni labantu abangabona izinto mawubuya wona bafaka emacamereni bayenza this. Yeah. That's why wonke umuntu makafika la ubheka i-guest after i-guest ufuna ukushayina, ufuna ukuba more brutal, you understand? Ufuna ukuza ngesinye isitori esithusayo, isitori esingekho. Ngabaleke ejele umubani kanjani? Abakhila lapha kanti. Udlala ngathi ngabaleke ka7 ejele ngesikhathi samabhunu seapartheid udlala ngathi lo muntu.
So uthini ngo3?
Yazi izitori zaka Footman phela zine relatability yabona. Ubona ukurelate ngoba ukhuluma ngendawo esivamile. Yakela ngibela bomanazireke zingena ngedeep now ukhona uku-identifya akakhulumi ngamayamasina non-relatable. Amabhunu amaphampu ubuso hayi mara sibe straight yabona. Kunezinye izinto nokusibheka nawo umahleli uyi-1 ubona ukuthi mara le ngayenzeka akunezinye ngeke zenzeke.
Ezinye kusho ukuthi umoya.
Kudlalwa ngathi push content.
So kahle othi le narrative ka Scheme GP
ayikho.
Emotion fucked up.
Yasikhawatha create ama monster. Ngebe ngithole le narrative ngisaseyintwana ngibe ngibhayizisile blind. Beyongimoshisa kabuhlungu
because uzofuna ukufana naye.
Benyo-absorba ngifuna ukugraduate kubo bonke, bengihlanganisa wonke la narrative ngiyenze i-action figure i-1 kube enye into, kube ibomb. namamela bewangaphuma elokishini.
Yes,
You
yes.
understand?
Yeah.
Kunenye into nge-previous guest yakho but mawuhleli lapho utshela abantu ukuthi wena you've killed abantu inqozi zabo sezirhodi no
Zithi.
bareacta kanjani. Yabona ukuthi basic i-common factor kaGoodman akacabanganga izinto makazenza.
So basically ubhayisa amajita.
Yeah, ubhayisa amajita chase fame uGoodman.
Akalungisi lokho.
Yeah, uGoodman sekashaya amabhale sekashaya ikipa zama-hydraulics anijump nini. Yeah, uGoodman.
Yes, yes. So I'm jealous something because since when you were arrested, ne prison ezintwana encane ikumoshe va engcondweni and ikulungise va engcondweni.
Azi bona leya ndawo ntana shukuthi I'll forever be in that place. Mindset yabo, emotional and spiritual yabona. Shukuthi leya ndawo akusindawo yabantu leya. Namanye ama-rules kuneminye imithetho kunendlela enye yokuphila kuphilwa kusemhlabeni la. You understand? Yeah, it may make you, it may break you. Yeah, it's a two-way street yabo. Into ebhaya yabona. Yeah, there are things ozibona la ngeke uzibona ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Yeah, like injalo yabona. Psychologically ke angikhawathi
Also
ngoba inobumnandi bayo. Umuntu oke wayara uyazi
ubumnandi bayo yini?
inobu ngayenza crime ngeke ngayara ngaphila ngisurvive kokuqala ngayenza crime nabuyela inalento leyo. You understand? And phela uzwe ezinye izitori uzwa amanye ama-crime ndoda uzwa amanye ama-crime nawasho ukuthi umuntu eshale
Crime enjani? Tell me a crime oke wazwela ngayo.
ebethu kunama-Goodman akutshela ukuthi mtabe kushaya ama-fraud wama-300 million.
Yo,
Mawutalibona nawe lo Goodman lismart.
mana lisejele.
Yeah, Goodman lismart. Futhi uthole siye court ngiphume juvenile la Goodman baphuma ka lamuntu abheka lo Goodman libhemi court. Goodman lishama Nike, lishama kavela lismart. Elibona uGoodman alinawari. Yabona na ukuthi ukuthi mangiphuma mele lebe ngiyenza ngigraduate. Sena ukuthi ngiyenza le ama house breaking ayisasebenzi. No nya graduate. Don't understand. And indeed I did graduate. And indeed I did reap the rewards. You understand? Yeah. Kunezinye izinto emfethu le ndawo ifundisa punctuality. So to a point where nangaphandle nokuyiphila le yamikhuba yara ngezinye indlela. Yabona ya. Mina I'm grateful for le ndlela ngoba ingelisa imicondo yabantu.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngifundisa umuntu ngenye indlela ukuthi no sengikwazi ingqondo zomuntu yabona ukuthi everyone is out to benefit.
Yeah. Ekugcineni.
Yeah.
So tell me this. Angitshela ngama-out lawa ashaya ama-house breaking kwalama shop asekasi abantu abashaya ama-house breaking bangenela abantu endlini which uthola umagogo wasendlini yasokola uyangena umthathela ifoni uza la e-footbar uyacekeza. Uma ungakhuluma those are our peers abanye sikhule nabo yini into ongabatshela yona singafani namanye ama-podcast sibakhuze mfethu siba-reprimand ukuthi bafethu ningamosheli utaki.
Yabona leyo mani isiyeri yabo. Ya isiyeri ngoba ukutshontshela option isidala man sibeke kanjani.
Yeah.
Yabona. Yeah, sonke lokishini sidonsa kanzima. Yabo. Yeah, sonke lokishini sidonsa kanzima matata wena uzomoshela mina.
Mfethu
Ele mina nyazama sibali.
ngicabanga uzogcekeza e-footbar
ukuthi ngitholele equipment ngiyancenga
mntwana ukuze ngithole lama-light la.
yabona enhle ngiyazama ngenye indlela yabona. Yeah, sho ukuthi wena uthatha easy way out yabona. That's why nokuthola amanye ama-instances kunama-mob justice amajita bayawabulala.
Yeah.
Yabona. Yeah, makungabe yaspina siyejozi.
La kuspinwa khona.
Yeah, kumele siyospina ejozi. Mina bengitshela umuntu ngidani ntanga la elokishini kunama-petty crime. Kwenza ama-petty crime. Yabona. It's a pity senza amanye ama-episode wadeliteka sazi kanjani.
Yeah.
Yabona. But the location is petty crimes. yabona
Yeah,
location sinama criminal famous ngathi criminal famous wenza into wrong maru famous
Famous,
ya
kanjani?
bengitshela umunye umuntu ngidadi sama petty thieves thina doing nothing yabona ngizokureferensela ngomunye umuntu esimazi no did you know Cat Matlala
Yeah, Cat Matlala.
bowumazi
Bengingamazi.
ya bongamazi makabeka yenza izinto zamampela
Yeah.
ya uzwa imali lezi bekashiya imali eyiserious
Hey wena.
ya kusiya imali inyani change wena ulayela okushini utshontsha ama-TV sofuna ukuduma uzelokishini utshontsha amafoni ye sotshontsha imoto eyi-one imoto sotshontsha imoto eyi-one sofuna ukuduma ukuthi wena uMichael Schumacher uke wangena wastarta i-20 sofuna ukutrenda phela iy'tsotsi zanoelokishini zine-social media uyacaba
Yeah.
thola itsotsi ine-TikTok uma ngalawo amare
Enjani ne-TikTok?
yabona itsotsi ezishutayo iy'tsotsi eziphosta iy'towuleni nami nginazo la kuma-contact wami umangala awumaka lo muntu uphosta isitowuleni
Tuleni kanjani?
post i-round post
Eh.
ijuzi yabo so
Eh.
that's why ngihlala ngisho ngithi in this day and age man ukuhlebha sekuphume efashinini
Yeah.
yeah
So angitshele mkhozi wami. Ucabangani ngoShebe Shade noTsaka RSA. Ngale nto abayenzayo like bafuna ukugwazana and le nto le bayiportray bayiveza on social media.
yazi njani le kunomunye ofuna ukuduma ngomunye yabona le inswembu Shebe Shade hayi
Theka Katlego Mabhele.
hayi yabona leya superstar yini nje natural
Katlego Mabhele.
shukuthi natural yabona yabo
Yeah.
kunabanye abantu empilweni ntariyana bazofuna ukupressa somewhere bafuna ukuyenza leya nto and nayi aware yabona
Bana ngathi angihlola yazi ngathi
ya yabona kunabanye abantu bazofuna ukupressa somewhere kunomuntu ohlala kuphusha
Ejempezi.
ufuna ukureact ngenye indlela
Yeah.
yabona ya abantu banjalo zenzakala lezo zinto yabona there are people who are going to push you to certain lengths
Yeah.
testing your patience
Mm.
and sometimes nawo umuntu necorrect ngenye indlela unokubona le ntwana enokushaya live imkhuzi ukuthi mani entanga uzokwenza ngenye indlela yabona chayimile le ntwana bheka ngithi hayi le ntwana ichayimile
Mhlongo le nto.
hayi le chayimile le ntwana
Leo Tsaka is naye.
hayi bhayi le
La nami ngibona kwebhali Leo Tsaka RSA.
bhaka selimpopo
So
ya elimpopo yawuthetha imile ngicaba iphuma elimpopo ushebe kuphela
hayi namfo mina bafethu Shebe ndanye ngiphikisane namuntu le.
lezi the rest
Lezi ezinye the rest abo.
now yazazi ziphuma elimpopo azilele
Azilela ama avocado nama klep.
azilele
Ne. So because ungibona ngilole bafethu ngijampela kanje. Ukuthi kunama episode esale sawashaya delete so kunamanye ama topic engifuna ukuwakhava. Kuna lo ngichaze ngayo. Leyo ukuthi kune state kune lawyer estate. Kune lawyer oyibhadalayo. Kunokuzimela. Ngifuna ungishaya ngaleza wona lapho. Lapho ngibulele.
yabona ihof court inswembu ihof yabantu abagelezile number 1 kumele uhlale uyicaba yabona yabona mongena la first appearance yangena dakiwe phela masiloko siboshiwe wobsel sinama opinions advisor antwana mongena kanje icase yakho phela siyigebengu akusithi amaloya makasesibheka icase yakho phela le case yakho ime ngakhona yazi intwana icase yakho yabona mangime ngakhona ngeke ngayiva icase kanje yabona icase yakho mafika kara batshela ukuthi bongekho wena makababambe wena sikadwesa kanjalo sidizi thina batshela ukuthi bongekho makababambe wena la batshela ukuthi wena bongekho kusuwe bondlula la makabakuthole phakathi kwalelo dladla ungene bakutshele first appearance baringa esinye ingama la kune-translator la bakutshela ukuthi which language do you wanna speak usukela i-code with English usukela i-code uthi English but alright sharp phela mawuthi English akuna translate uzokutranslate ngesikasana sekuyi English kanje jike bakutshele you have a right to your own attorney that you're going to pay with your own money. You have a right to an attorney that will be provided by the state that is free of charge, and you have the right to speak for yourself. Mawuzwa yo speak for yourself sokumela yona fast awandanga lezi zinto sofuna ukuzikhulumela yeah ukuthi ubona lela time elihleli lapha phezulu nalabantu abahleli ukudala abangabagoca lapha ngabagoca and noba bakhuluma amanye amathema serious yabona ama-contradict ama-mediator awuzazi lezo zinto ngoba uphume early esigele uphume ngebreak ufuna ukujama uphume early bakhuluma amanye amathemi sophendule enye into abayibuzanga ukuthi hayi bengidabulapha ra baphendula ezinye izinto abakubuzanga zona bona phendula amanye amagama heavy suyasikhulumela lapha yabona bakushaya nge-remind awazi remind and bathi remind copies for docket awazi
yo
into ongayixoxelwa yiloyo suyazimela abakushaya nge-remind mawubuya ngale sakuthetha bekungamele usikhulumele masithi usikhulumele
mara ngithi bafeni
sika embethi sikanje ile yandawo yalimaza psychological
yeah so kumntana obukele manje because we don't want to be indulged in talking more about prison. We want to change your mindset.
In Tariana, talking about prison is necessary.
Yeah.
I feel like emphasizing prison is necessary.
Yeah.
Because now, sometimes people they look at the podcast to beg. They don't listen. They don't listen to understand.
That's what I want to say.
There's people who listen to respond, not to understand. Yeah, no commenta into zela le.
And it's complicated.
Yeah, I looked at another person at untanga at the first episode untanga ukhuluma umoya yabona kwaba nenyintanga ufuna untanga thini. You understand? Yabona, I'm talking my own experience. I feel you need to emphasize prison because that's where crime leads you.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm just saying we need to make them aware that prison is not a good place. The more you do crime, the more you do things that you'll face in prison, they are not nice.
Keep in prison.
That's what I want us to indulge in. Not hanging escape, hanging at I want you to talk about prison. To fear prison.
Yabona ijele. Sikini. Ngeke kube kini. Endijele alunamnikazi. Endijele alunamathayimi. Mathayimi ngaphandle ngaphakathi awuthayimanga la whole dynamics yashintsha. Asikwazi thina. Yeah. Kuthi untariana mulo wase Deep Blue.
Wama podcast.
Asikwazi hayi. Kuthi ngaphandle utshontsha amafoni asazi thina sininkinga zethu manje sithole ehlele la yabona umqasho lokahlale lapha mawumusha yithi abo master uthola thina sikuphatha ngendlela sokufikisa you understand badly mawungena ama visit bayiseka bayibhali you understand that's why it makes you, it breaks you. Yabona. Banye baba yibhatala sibona abantu bawashela abantu. Amakhutmano wasaba elokishini dala siwabona bawashela abantu.
Mara elokishini clever.
Yeah. Dala sibona amakhutmano washela abantu.
And tell me something, Poison. When I'm on the first time in prison, did you expect ukuthi uzobona umuntu omaziyo phakathi?
For me, yeah, I did, yabo. Ngoba leading up to izinto ezibhaya we spoke about prison yabo mentally somehow I was prepared to go to prison, you understand, but the picture I found there was different to the picture I was told. Yabo people are not welcoming. It's not your home there. Sigini la
futhi nempintsha yakhe ngakujikela
ibheka uthi ngafa ngawe. Uyawuthami ngifanga uyadlala sababa lo picture zikusemhlabeni lana
so when the first time you went to prison, who did you meet first? Work approach umuntu omazi wasekazwa ndoda nawe kanti la
ngahlangana nenye intwana itangazi ihlala endofaya. Intanga mina ngiyakwazi ngivuma ebukhothanini kanjani. Now you carry the bandwagon phela manje wena usaphuma ngaphandle. You want someone you can get close to, yabona.
Yeah.
And manje leya ndawo akusindawo yokuthi ungachomana nomuntu akunabuchumi. Singachomana 6 months ukujikele nga1 day. Uphilisa 6 months ukujikele nga1 day. Yabona. That's why I was looking at my podcast and I related to one podcast. Leya Goodman for stand up live. Yabona leya Goodman to Israel Mateke Zulu GP Maoreni.
Oh, GP Maoreni.
Yabona leya Goodman respect up.
GP
yabona leya Goodman lukuthathela ukuclever lokuexplainela bona ukuthi uyaspana buspana.
Yeah.
Yabona ijele ekukhrela.
Yeah.
Ubonisa ama dynamics yokuthi you can come out and be a better person.
Yes, sir.
That's why ngitshela eyangini coming after me ngita ntwana yami, don't look at the flashy things of life, yabona.
Yeah.
Izinto ziyaspanelwa juu. Yabona. Usuyibhari mawuspana usha iCV, uapply online, you sleep with a clear conscience.
Yeah.
Yabona. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yabona. So thina kunala ngeke singasakhona ukuhamba khona. The reasons zethu zakudala. Yabona ukuthi uzilimit ezinye izinto. There are certain things you did to other people of which you cannot take back. There ukuthi wena ukuthi timing. Yabona. Yeah.
So Toga, how do you feel when you see your friends? You once had a crew at Kotan.
Yeah.
You can understand. Whereas ever felt to be quite clear with the Loman biggest Kotan, non biggest Kotan. You want like Benyama shop nyubugela. Yena ne crew ke bangihlasela abafuna ukukhotana nami, then things went but through all that crew he's the one who's good now. So how do you feel mabona i-out zakho lezi ufoma ischeme nazo zide ways engakhona manje?
It's sad, true. As it said, yabona. This yabona le ngifuna ukuyisho ngizwe grand, yabona. Township fame doesn't guarantee you anything.
Yeah.
Yakudumela ukushina kukuthengela next. Ngeke ukugaye imali. Ngeke ukugaye next. Yabona. Yeah. Things we did back then, us being famous back then, doesn't pay now. You understand? Yeah, most amachita wami are on drugs. And it's sad,
sad,
yeah, looking at the out yami, like the person that reference you in Pechanga is on drugs. Yeah, my best, which I'm
bamfasele pale na shaw mphakathi.
Ngathi bobona ukuthi la sibangizenzela isithombe sa. Iyawuthami ngicela phethi man. You understand? Yakhawatsha la idea ngisukuthi ngezinye indlela ngoba amajita athatha amanye ama lifestyle choices. Yabo. But at the end of the day ngihlala ngitshela umuntu ukuthi empilweni igcina ngawo. Yeah, empilweni nonke into icala ngawe igcina ngawe. Ama decision uyasithathela. Yabo. That's why I was conveying nomuntu ngiphilisana naye ngithi sister yazi the way umhlaba ungakhona no. Kumele uhlale uhambule, kumele ushayele phansi. Yabona. Clever abanonke indlela ukuthi ngikufaka ingozi. Yabona. I'm sad ngi out ngalezi zinto ezivayayo, yabona. I told you even before we came live, ngithola ukuthi the way izinto zenzakala ngakhona manikasi asikho safe. Inside zakaphaya.
Kanjani somkhozi wami?
Ukuthi man iGBV beyikhona bengiyazi ukuthi ikhona, yabona. But no ndoda
it's brutal.
Yeah, it's an alarming rate. Ukuthi even like nabandaki bengitshayela media ngithi man yazi mawufika uncomfortable ungitshayela. Yabona. There are certain things you need to address. I feel like kunamanye ama movements sifuna ukwenza awena mvuzo kunamanye kumele siwayenza serious. Uthi pom group samajita ndoda simele abo sister sibatshele ukuthi abo sister enhle nginiphila kanjani. abo bana abandlala South Brown yabona abo check bethi bashalwa ngenkana sazi
mina mfana ngakulanda kini nasi
ngithola
mina
uyabo like no kunenye out end of fire ikasle medium straight ipolice ucherry shukuthi labo cherry bakala sebansettled yabona la uthi khona bayiposte iphume yokho moto yayibona uthi khona yayibona ibhari
idarare la uthi lesingayibamba ngempama
yayibona ukudale ibhari shukuthi abo sister seba limited kwezinye izinto yabona yabo but kunezinye izinto mele masiloko sikhampini labo sister sisigelezise nabo sister yabona ukuthi sister nani don't engage kwezinye izinto sipusha amajita yabo there are some things abo sister izinto bayazenza sipusha amajimbozi yabona zokushayela scenario fast uphandela usister yaspina wenza zonke izinto ya risk wenzani usister relax uqueen waseLondon
kwamela abo queen
ngithi kunabo sister abangayenzi next abahleli abayenzola yonke into
akafani nowami ongishuthayo
sister yacula kunabo sister abangayenzi next bagcoka amadolls ngitapana bagrand bayaphandelwa awutha khona mayiphandile Jozi sister kuhlabisa mina lokushila yofila kanjani leyo out ngikubonisa leyo mentality hayi ukuthi sipromote ezinye izinto but nani abo sister kunezinye izinto unokubona imedi ba proud online ikutshela ukuthi nami niyathama eSpaneni ngihlabisa eJasikasi othi ukutshela ukuthi ngijola niyawuthi Spana maka ngihlanya niyawuthi Phanda yabona mina mangishana medium no yangikonfezela ta mina ndoda bengijola neibhari ngicela ukubamba out time million nawe yabona ngathathi medium kwenye out yabona so like amanye ama dynamics abo sister mele nawo bawa soft life yakawatha ama stropers nama moheti neindawo nama Dubai nani that's why mina sometimes mabathi missing sometimes ngiboyapi
uyenzani lapho
uyaboyapi qeqezelelani ngenamali yokuphuza usithayelelana ngoba uyotshayela umjito uqeda ukuyotshontsha imoto lapha neplug lakhe liqina umphuze yena mawumphuza sekacabanga ukuthi kumele ashaye umdakhe akufune ngetochi akuthole akukhiphe ngekazi sisiyazila asena mahembe sokwathenga iminqwabo manje
ayisikhathi nekutatulo
impethu zwile yoko sikhuzana nabantu abangezwa abantwana abathanda izinto asisakhuzi amajita athanda inkunzi asisakhuzi
sesiyabayekela suffer the consequences
mawuboshiwe manje asathumeli my time zwile
sikhathele yini
nathi sikhuziwe sa experience asezwa sabona ukuthi ayazi ezinye izinto azinambuzo yabo
ne
khona uzothi nyabheda nyamazi
uyabazi bazohlala bakhomela so what can you say to the masses out there like ama 2000 intwana ezilandela thina ne because you more of a motivational speaker motivate amajita I want to give you this platform and motivate ubahluze ingcondo mfethu ubabonisa indlela mfethu you've been in prison you've been out of prison you've been in drugs you let off drugs you have 4 years clean shout out to that that's a big thing my boy keep it up yes keep it up now you are on platforms like this abo ikase livukile was nangoke uhamba yi1 umuntu wakhona ngasikhathi you are in a platform manje ikase livukile ubani beyacabanga ukuthi into kanti izoyenzeka so what can you say to the masses out there kule ntwana lezi eziwa acting notorious just to be loved by amantombazana
yazi
awubalayitise mkhozi wami
ngiyacela first team mfana thankful for platform ekanje yabo it highlights izinto ezibhayi ezinye izinto let me be addressed without ama platform akanje yabo need more platforms like this yabo without contradictions ibeke njalo yabo yabona yangimi ngikhuluma nemntwana encane ngibebhekela mina understand thandwa inxusa kucalwa ngawo thandwa insize akucalwa ngawo lala neinsize ezibhaya kucali ngawo gcoka ama Nike kucali ngawo gcoka amakhavela angafani nana kucali ngawo twala kucali ngawo ukulokhu kuhlanza akucali ngawo ngeke kugcina ngawo enza kuzanga ngawo yabona. Yeah, so kunezinye izinto, there's certain things you need to abstain from to obtain certain things. You can't serve two masters at once. Khonakala ukuthi ungajayiva ufunde azamile sithola bo zero bowuyicela uzero meme mphe zero ngoba ugelezana.
And wena endlini ya cross night ngeCrystal.
Nya cross night ngeCrystal mara indoda besigeleza nabantu abaneplug nawo bowazi bebatholi out babiza sikhumbuzo mhlamba bathi angicela uzero.
Athi mem angazi next.
Yeah, uyabona. So now no umhlaba walezi esigelezayo ubheke iba yalezi esigelezayo ezalezi esishama podcast yalezi digital ama content create phila isimanje manje akusaphila iplug umuntu osebenzisa iplug alisasipani
sese download imali
no intwana zama forex nani mawufuna ukusebenzisa ikutime kuphila isitani ukusebenzisa hardwork abantu abasebenzisa hardwork ama athlete ama soccer player angafuni ukusebenzisa udlala ngiyajotha ukuspeed ugoqa imoto energy le abantu bakhetha ama podcast abasister bayacula abantu bavula iship zamakota ama food bar abantu bavula ama NPO ba share knowledge yabona wena mntana sekhaya wentombazana osafuna ukubangena mntana kithi.
And they need to know ukuthi you're also part of ama NPO.
Yabona. So I did school chores yabona. School chores yabona. And kule school chores engizenzile. There are boys ekuleso scale ngamtshela ama result wayenza lento wayibona. Ngahlangana naphe mama trucks. Ngathi ngathini mpona. Wathi ungubani uthi ngizobhema ngathi uyabhema no. It's sad. You understand? Yabona. Kunamakhutmane esikhule bakhombela inye sister lasekhaya bathe makalo yamntana uzoba yenye into azoba nenxoso ezibhala sadayazi lamakhutmane makathanda izinto mkhulu
ipili audio running.
5, 4, 3, 2.
So bafethu, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto sikhethu bafethu, we are back ethi Ikhasi Livukile bafethu. Njengoba besakhuluma ngamakhotmane lawa akwazi ukubona ukuthi umntana uzobala abantwana abaningi sithi ipili, so mkhosi uzoyichubekisa la agcine khona.
yazi sinokuyineglect sinokunganaki lento le yabona. Phela yazi no nge-experience ekunayo I can see a person becoming umuntu westrata yabona, because I've been there. I can see a person becoming a drug addict because I've been there yabona. Umuntu mangizoyicoca ngihleli naye ukuthi yazi ngibona le yantwana le ndlela ehambayo ntangizoba yenyini. You understand? A person can take it ukuthi amakalona ntangishibuleli intwana sheba ntotsaga. You understand? And that boy ends up becoming leyo nto. You understand? So nokuthola amakhutmani no sinama peers wethu amachera gijima ngenye pace ubona ukuthi le pace le yoqeda ngomgwini yoqeda usister agwini yophela ngenye into ngayinxose ezibhaya nani. You understand? So ezinye izinto hence I said yabona masingayehlisa ukuphapha both genders sayehlisa ukuphapha asakhuphula ifocus nezinga lokuphanda ngaba grand yabona. I feel like izinto ezibhazi ngayehla. You understand? Ngoba abo sister ngokuphapha bajola nebhaki. You understand? Thina ngoba ujarsi sifakisa abo chera aba snacks ngapha ngoba silastar sifuna ukushaya. You understand? Shukuthi enye dynamic manje khula inxusa ina time ngoba wena ubalekile bekwama one night stand umntana umshaye ephapini asehama inscrali lo mntana obambisa ubani ipala yabona ukuthi sekuyigrave yase KFC yenye into engahlangana. Yabona sekuyenye and no yazi sicoca ezamajoke mara into enzakalayo. Yabona. So in everything in page, you understand? I feel like for me being on this platform, you should teach lessons. You understand?
Yeah.
I don't want after 10 years to hear another similar story as mine.
Efana neyakho.
Yeah, I want to hear a successful version of me.
Yeah.
Ukuthi yazi, I once heard someone said this and I didn't engage in it. Yeah. Kunabali izinto ezipositive. Mina mbethu I'm motivated by the platform. You understand? Maybe to start a podcast. You understand?
Yeah.
On maybe something different, on substance abuse, interview, recovering addict. I'm motivated. You understand?
Yeah.
And then like and subscribe.
And share. Niyazitshontshela maqedwe nje equipment mara sincedane.
Ceda ntshontsha ama idea wethu.
Emkhosi wami bangi angitshela something mfethu. Ngike ngahlangana nawe mina usesuyi edit esquare ngahlangana nawe naseBarrel bofila kanjani ohlangana nomuntu bomazi mongibona mina ngiclean wena soyabheba
yazi yabona yokushaya leyo nto ne maka ama drugs awona nembeza maso bhema serious awona nembeza awunokubona umuntu sekadudula irabula kasazingeni maqala ubhema okokucala uzozi ubani ngobubhema ngama Monday masobhema ngama Monday nama Wednesday bhema ngama Wednesday nama Monday nama Friday fake ne Saturday nyana masofaka wonke amalanga wevika usazingeni ntare yana mulu bani sekune slogan sokuthi ntare yana mulu akakuthengeli into okubhema kuyafana you understand so i-substance abuse impethu yazi besibambe enye topic kunabantu ababhema mthangana
yabona laba ndibo bakhommithe ama-suicide
baningi maybe abanye bloma nabo yabona amajitane erratic behavior yabona mina ngiri-carrigate khona ukubona omunye umuntu yabo there's certain topics enginokuzibamba namajita ntanga take care of your mental health. I feel like that's most important. That's most important in which you take care of your mental health because so that you don't lean on substances. They are puma substance dog. It's hard. Like me staying 4 years clean. It's a battle I fight every day. People that maybe I'm clean now. They back and here. Into every day. I need to maintain sobriety on a daily basis. You understand? That's why I tell a person that a person like me cannot engage. Ngeke ngikwazi ukubhema insanga. And abantu understand. Yabona. Antanga usabhema inyawo ubhema insanga. I tell them that I cannot involve myself in a mind altering substance. Kumele ngizazi. You understand? Noma insanga ngaba mnandi for wena kumina ngeke ibe mnandi ngoba insanga izongilidela la ngibuya khona. Yabona. So in everything that happens, take lessons from what's said here. We can say it in a humorous form, ngendlela ukuthi ngarelate ngayo in your language, you understand? But from everything on this platform, take lessons, you understand? Be motivated, you understand? Yeah, ukuthi sakabantu, you understand? I feel like I wouldn't have woken up and came in, you wouldn't have waken up and came in without a purpose.
The purpose.
There's a message being sent out here, you understand? For me, if there's one person who's gonna be saved from going to prison, I'll be happy. From all what we've done.
Prison say limited.
And they know there's one thing I said that's fun, ukuthi jail alqwala.
And that's God.
Ngeke bathi bosho untarana mula bathi ayijika buyele emuva la sigcwele. Yangena. You understand? So that's one thing I always tell a person coming after me, you understand? That's why magnebo a child phambi kwami I try and calm myself. I try and compose myself and narrate myself mentally ukuthi this person can look up to me. You understand? That's why I always tell a person that ngeke ungithole ngithuka, ngeke ungithole ngishaya imiki, ngeke ungithole ngikuthangeni indlela. Masiprome kwakho ungena intwana yakho ngamabhiya siyaphuma. You understand? Because you don't need that boy doesn't need that picture kuwe. Yekude right akuyada. You understand? Because that boy might have a mentality ukuthi ngeke akhona ukhendlela le substance yokuphuza ukuphuza kusuka wonke umuntu
Yeah,
ubhema kusuka wonke umuntu ukucula ukuacta ukujiva izinto zinabantu bazo yabona so ngithi in everything that happens don't engage kwinto ezokugcilaza at the end.
Yes, mokhuluma kanje we only focusing on drugs ne alcohol also
embethi alcohol yenye into and abantu abaddicted to alcohol mawungayibheka yimedi no eyimedi siphuza ngenye indlela
hey
yo
and utshwala bamanje bucolorful
buyahlitshara
into ebonakala
cabanga bathi uphuza imoyedo testropes yo important phela kuchiri bamanje baphuza ngenye rate unokamba nomuntu aphuze 18 wena uphuze 4 uloku yambheka uyaphuza kanjani ayeyeye moto yampeka lo mntana kadaku uyaya moto yampeka kadaku uyaya noma lo uyambheka uyazikhuphula yasho ukuthi hayi mina last man mangikhula man ube kuntariyana uphuza kanje untariyana uthi untariyana no sekaphuza 3 beers tani uphuza 18 ne-1 nebhodlela still standing abantwana bamanje basha amalala gugu yathula
yo
umntana niphume endaweni ngothi uyakutshela ukuthi bomla siyaphuma ngalayo inhleki kwenzakalani manje yabona so i-alcohol impethu is the root cause, you understand? Where ama-drugs amanye atholakala khona yabona ngoba ukukhipha i-alcohol abantu basipanisa ikhethi kuba soba umuntu aphuze from Friday until Sunday Monday kumele ayesipaneni Monday ngakavuka ubhema ikhethi ufuna ukuba vakela you understand ukuthi that's a leading substance kwezinye izinto you understand so in everything umpethu utshwala kusuka monke umuntu ngeke siphuze sonke ngeke sonke siphusta ama-stropes nama-Hennessy ngeke sonke sibhema ama-drugs bakhona ababhema ama-drugs 1 week bawayeka permanent yabona bakhona abafane namba abama-junkie you understand so don't go and want to experiment ngafuna ukuyotutsa you understand ngoba ukuhamba ukuyotutsa kwakho unokuhamba ugwetshwe life sentence anokubulala ama-drugs nokushawa overdose sinokungapheli kamnandi you understand so we need such platforms in page you understand I feel like in page this platform in page and for me I came working here knowing that in page I can reach out to such a platform and reach such an audience in page for me on its own it's a success and understand that like you woke up and created a platform like this in page where we're not talking about gossip, we're talking about real life stories, things that
happen on the day.
Things that we go through, we understand them, no, I wasn't comfortable at first to khuluma ngezinto zebha, but ngiyabona ukuthi I'm saving someone coming behind me. You understand? No, I can proudly tell him, me I'm a recovering drug addict, I cannot engage in such. Yabona ngeke ukhona ukungihlalisa endaweni ekubhema insango nani I might turn into something or I might relapse. My recovery is the most important thing here. Even my partner knows nasedladleni bayaqaba and people around me know, you understand? If you as Ntariana Mula knows that that person doesn't want weed around him, if you bring him around me I'm gonna step away because impilo yami le manga relapse anonyoba yini
after 4 years
you understand so
that's crazy
from no mpethu the way I structure my life mpethu and my thoughts mpethu yenye indlela yabo when I check mpethu research history yami kugcwele wena you understand ngendlela yokuthi I always remind myself that there's somebody who's calling me to narrate something. So if I go and relapse, I'm gonna be disappointing you. In
fun,
you understand? You're gonna go 5 years from now and go on the internet and say, "That's interview out." You understand?
And the ultimate mentally be strong.
So me staying sober now, it's me going to this episode after 10 years and saying. Still holding it. You can do it now. Like from everything that happens mfethu, no matter yabona from everything enzakala kule platform,
Yeah.
yabona yabona nene slogan siyasho ikasilivukile,
Ikasilivukile
yabona
bafethu.
leya siyasho islogan ukuthi entanga yazi you can rise from whatever circumstances,
Yeah.
no matter from where you come from,
Yeah.
yabona thina besithi success ayikho elokishini yabo, manje songikhona ukubona iPorsche indlule kazi senginokuba motivated ukuthi
I can get a Porsche.
sekune podcast elokishini.
Oh, I can get a podcast.
Yeah, shukuthi nama can do it. I understand. Yeah, a junkie like me can be called to a school to motivate upcoming scholars.
Yeah, and me I can assist you if you wanna open a podcast like ngeze nge-equipment.
Yeah,
you get your own
that-
people.
That's why this is something I told media makes yazi I'm going there to gain knowledge about everything else.
Yeah.
Kunomunye umuntu bekade sushi kabona batho ba famous kanto, like I'm going there to gain knowledge, so when I start my own thing I don't start from scratch.
Yeah.
You understand? I can learn from some of the things.
Yeah.
Yabona. So ngihlala ngitshela umuntu ukuthi how you receive things, it's up to you, yabona.
Yeah.
There's someone who's going to receive it in a bad way.
Yeah.
Ukuthi hayi le cabanga ukuthi timile le sikhuluma ngento ekanje nakanje 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 nakanje, understand? There's somebody who's going to sit down and absorb it ngendlela ukuthi as this person doesn't want me to take certain decisions.
Yeah.
Yabona, let me not go and try and experiment. Yabona, there's someone who's going to experiment.
Yeah, yazi makhuluma kanje kuneyathi bezile besho ukuthi ungayikhuluma into eyikhulumayo ne, then kunamanzi ayi-2, kunamanzi asikhulu, kunamanzi angcolile. Wena uzokhetha ukuthi uthatha maphi amanzi.
Yeah.
If uthatha angcolile uzobona ngathi usuthi ufuna ukutrenda.
Yeah.
If uthatha amanzi asikoni uzobona ukuthi ususho yangilayitisa, kumele ngilafu labangani, kumele ngafula utshwala, kumele ngafula ukutshentsha amantombazane, kumele ngafula isekele, like kumele ngizicompose ngiziphathe grand and yonke into izoba mnandi.
Kumele wafula izinto ezibhaya. Yabona namasekele esibloma kuwo phela sibloma ngenye indlela ukuthi mina ngazi ukuthi wenzani mawiwane, yabona. Abantu bajampa ama-primer stove ngaphandle bageza ngamanzi a-blue nani wona uyavaya hlala namasekela amaningi, yabona ukuthi uthatha izinto ezanecessary.
Yeah.
Maceda uzomangala why izinto zakho zingaprosper. Hlala nesekele one. Yazi mawiwana ukhinyeki. Your own thoughts won't bore you. Ngoba mawubloma iwana uba creative. You understand?
Yeah.
You become creative. You understand? When you start to hlangana nabantu ababhaya, let's say get misled. Yabona? Yeah. Ngoba abantu ababhaya mase ngihlala nabantu ababhaya kunomunye umuntu akakuncane. Sekutshela ukuthi hayi le podcast akubhayizisa.
Yeah, efuna ukuduma ngawe le.
Le podcast ufuna ukungena ngani mase idlinyungu ngeke ugaye next.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yabona ngeke ugaye next.
Yeah, nyanaze vele.
Yeah, uyabona.
Vele.
Yeah, bakhona abantu ukuthi bazosho kanjani. Bakhona abantu ukuthi bazosho kanjalo, understand? Kanti kwazi bani ukuthi mina mangibloming there's a funder efuna ukufanda PO engazi izo contact wena ngingena ngayo.
Yeah, and the into kumele ba understand abantu bafethu, if your mentality is broad enough to understand the capacity of things that you are doing here, the slogan says itself, ikasi livukile.
Hayi untariana
uvukile. Ikasi livukile. That means if the podcast grows, uzoba ne channel yakhe. You understand? Nawe wena obhekile uzoba nento yakho. Ikasi livukile, ayo ntariana uvukile.
So I'm gonna hold him to it. Kumele ngibe ne channel.
Mfethu, and I'll make sure uba nayo. That's why ngithi ikasi livukile, angithi untariana uvukile lokatlo uvukile. Ikasi. So if the podcast maybe growth izonceda abantu ababhaya basekasi, because ikhuluma ngekasi. Mangikhuluma ngekasi ngikhuluma ngelokishi nesentini kasi, iRosebank kasi, kunabantu abahluphekayo basesentini, ama addicts nabo. So ikasi livukile, this is not all about me, it's about us. Unity makes wealth. So wena ozokhondema abantu uthi hayi la ifuna ukuduma ngawe, hayi la ifuna ukuvusa ipodcast ngawe, wena wamanzi amngcolile, wena uwisikazi uvusa igazi. So mkhozi wami, last words from you, and I know I'm expecting you again.
Mina last words from me is that push yourself, man. Don't limit yourself, yabo. lento leyo icabangile ufuna ukuyenza mayibhampile uzozamena
Yeah,
yabo
yeah,
indlela
yeah,
ziphili
yeah. Hayi, indlela
yabona
ziphili.
ya
Ama-chance awapheli.
yeah
Thilo stop
ama-chance
to chance.
awaphili you understand so I'll always advise people keep on going you understand
Yeah.
yabo and learn from other people's mistakes. I feel that's very important yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah ngazihamba usibanga
Yeah.
I understand otherwise grateful for the platform kasilivukile like and subscribe
And share and comment with positive things. If unomntana sekhaya ohluphayo, the platform is open to bring him here azokhuluma nami azongitshela izinto zakhe. Uthola ukuthi kunezinto ezenhlizweni akakwazi ukuzikhuluma but then maka nami uzozikhuluma. So but then mina ngegama uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka uMr Soweto Kavela Motsiba aka Mr Cool himself Intaliana laselokishini ngiphethe out yami edliwe China mali hlale Soweto the sushi man. So expect him bafethu support his NPO, expect i-channel yakhe. Nina nicabanga ukuthi ngifuna ukuvuka ngamajita namanzi angcolile, thina samanza sikuni ikasi solivuza ngenkani. Danko ke bafethu mangithi ikasi
sithi sigetho
simasithi Soweto
kawufela
danko ikasi livukile Soweto sigetho.
ya ngithi ngihlala la ngizowazi lapho
Asishaye ikasi
livukile
Soweto sigetho.